Very good morning, students. Yesterday class we already discussing about that is amniocentesis method. Today class we are going to discussing about population. Today class is under the category of the reproductive health. Reproductive health. Reproductive health. In reproductive health, yesterday we are already discussing about amniocentesis method. Today class we are going to discussing about population. Today class we are going to discussing about population. Population, you can observe India population. The India population day by day increases. Once the India population day by day increases, the average India population 135 crores. Once the day by day India population is increases means you are facing many problems. The food facilities also, it is not equal to distribute to every person. Okay, not only food, space, water, air, these all facilities also less. Once the population is increases, but the food facilities are less, space is less, air is also very less. Okay, you are not suffering from you are facing many problems once the population is increases. Once the population is increases, what are the reasons for the population increases? What are the reasons for population increases? What is the reasons for population increases? What is the reasons? The first main reason, poverty. First main reason, poverty. Poverty means India is the developing countries, not well developed countries. Many poor people, they are also suffering from the because of lack of food. Now, each and every day, many poor people, they are going to die because of lack of food. Lack of food, which the main reason is poverty. And also, the second main reason for the, what is the main reasons for the increase in population? After the poverty, illiteracy. What is known? Illiteracy. Those are uneducated people. Their countries participate into the sexual reproduction. They don't know about, once the population increases, means they are facing the problems. Illiteracy. Okay, once everyone is educated means everyone focusing, everyone awareness about the once the population increases means you are facing many problems because of lack of food. Population increases, the food levels are less. Okay, coming to the, what is the third important reason for the population increases? Lack of awareness about the reproductive aspects. Lack of awareness about reproductive, lack of awareness about reproductive aspects. Lack of awareness about the reproductive problems, reproductive health, contraceptive methods, lack of awareness about the family planning methods. Remember, lack of awareness about family planning. Lack of awareness. What is the fifth reason for the increasing population? Early marriages. Early marriages means it leads into the decreasing of the mother rate and also baby maternal mortality rate also decreasing, and also infant baby mortality rate also decreases. The early marriages also leads into the increasing population. Okay, these are the main reasons for the increase in population. Okay, what are the steps we should have to follow to control this population? Steps taken to control population. Steps taken. Steps taken. Control population. What are the steps we should have to follow to control population? What is the first step? Okay, to awareness, every child. Okay, to motivate the education. First, no, education is step first. To educate, to awareness about that. Okay, the first one, the education system development means everyone thinking, oh, once the population increases means lack of food. We are suffering from the food. Once the increasing to provide good facility to the educated system, every child, okay, everyone, they only participate to the educated system. Everyone feeling, but nowadays many few people, no facilities for the education system also. Lack of food, lack of money, lack of economical backgrounds. That is also one first to awareness, to educated every people. Education means to educate every people, to educate every people, every child, to educate first. Second one, after the education, to awareness about the, to awareness about the, to awareness about family planning, to awareness about the family planning, to awareness about the family planning. What is the third important role for the हम दो हमारा दो? What is the name? हम दो हमारा दो, हम दो हमारा दो, हम दो हमारा दो. You two, we are two. You two, you are two. Every family only two children. Otherwise, more than two children means the population is increases. To motivate small families. What is it? To motivate small families to provide, to give to the any incentives. Any incentives. Incentives means to provide any money, any prizes, any job to provide to the small families. To encourage the small families. To encourage the small families. To encourage the small family, they are not participating in the sexual reproduction. Only they will stop 2 children. Otherwise, you are not encouraged, you are not awareness, you are not creating awareness to the, you are not providing any incentives, you are not providing any money, any prizes means they also increase their population. Our target is hum do hamara do, you too, we are two. You too, we are two. The education system is well developed. To awareness of the family plan, hum do hamara do, to provide incentives. The fifth one, marriageable age groups are increases. Marriage age groups are increases. In the case of male, 21 years, it is also to reduce the population. These all steps, education system, awareness in family planning, hum do hamara do, incentives, and also increasing the marriageable age groups like male 21 years, female 18 years. Increasing marriageable age groups means to reduce the population. Okay, now coming to the next one. How these populations are calculated? How these populations are calculated? See here, the population calculated in the era of how these populations are calculated. How these populations are calculated? Okay, first the populations is calculated in the year of first population is calculated in the year of 1871. In the year of 1871, the first census they calculated. First census. In the year of 2011, last census they will calculate. Last census. It is the 15th census. These census calculations are calculated every 10 years. Census, they are calculated every 10 years. The census means calculation of the census. Census means calculations of the birth rate. Okay, how many births of the population? Death rates. How many persons are their death? Next one, sex ratio. Sex ratio. What is the sex ratio? What is the male ratio? What is the female ratio? Male ratio by female ratio. For example, male ratio in the year of 2021. For example, again they calculated census. 2011 they calculated. Again they will calculated 2021. Some unknown reasons like elections. Due to the corona, they are not calculated census. They are not calculated census. Once they are calculated census means they will data of the how many birth, how many death, what is the ratio of the male ratio out of 1000. For example, 900 males. 900 males. For example, 800 females. The ratios you can calculate. Male ratio increases or female increases. You can take Kerala. Female ratio is more compared to the male. In Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, it is a male ratio is more. Male number is more compared to the female. Some states, it is the variations. It is the differences. Okay, these census are calculated every 10 years. The first census calculated in 1871. 2011, the last census is calculated 15th census. Again, they will calculate 2021. Every census calculated 10 years. What is the meaning of the census? The calculations of the India population. The calculations of the world population. What is the world population? What is the India population? They are calculated with the help of, they are using census. They are using census. Coming to the world population. What is the name? World population. World population. The world population 1990. The world population 1990. What is the world population? 2 billions. 2 billions. In 2000, the world population, the total country population is 2 billion. It is the 6 billion. It reaches to the 6 billions. 2011, the world population 2 billions. In the year of 1990, 2000, 6 billions. 2011, 7.21 billions. What is the number? 2 billions in the year of 1990. 2000, 6 billions. 2011, 7.2 billions. 7.21 billions. In India population. India population. India population. In the year of 1947, that is Independence Day of the 1947, August 15, Independence Day, the India population 350 millions. What is the number? 350 millions. In the year of 2000, India population is 1 billion. What is India population? 1 billion. In the year of 2011, 1.21 billions. 1.21 billions. India is the second most populated country of the world. India is the second most populated country or population country. Population country of the world. The first country, China. The second most populated country, India. In India, the most populated state in India, Uttar Pradesh, highest populated state, highest population. India, Uttar Pradesh. Least population, Sikkim. In Sikkim state, it is a highest population state. It is the least population state. Sikkim, least population state. Sikkim. Is the least population state. How to calculate these populations? Okay, they are using simple formula. They are calculated. Okay, every year they will calculate. For example, every 10 years they will calculate this census. They calculate census. How they will calculate it? See here. In the year of 2000, in the year of 2000, average annual population growth rate, average annual birth rate, death rate, sex ratios, average annual rate, population. What is the number? 2%. What is the number? 2% average annual population. In the year of 2011, average annual population growth rate less than 1.7%. 1.7% means 20 members added every 1,000 per year. See now, 20 members are added every 1,000 per year. For example, you can take average of 1,000. 20 members are added every year. 2,000, 40 members are added. 3,000, 60 members are added. 4,000, 80 members are added. Every 1,000 per year, 20 members are added. The percentage is less than 1%. How to calculate this average annual population growth? You can use simple formula: average annual population growth rate. This is P2 minus P1 by P1 into M. It is a formula they are using calculation of the average annual population growth rate. What is the indications of the P2, P1 and M? What is the P2? P2 means it is the average annual population size. The population size of the present census. Population size of the present census. Present census. Population size of the previous census. Population size of the previous census. Previous census. N means the differences between the previous census and present census. The differences between previous and present census. Previous and present census. They can use this formula. They will calculate population size of the every 10 years or 1 year. We can easily calculate population. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. After that, we will discussing about that is the contraceptive methods. Tomorrow class, we are going to discussing about contraceptive methods. Thank you very much.